Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Western Union to bank account. So firstly, from the home page, click on Send Money. Now in here basically choose the receiver country, for example United States. Now input the amount of money you want to send. After this choose bank account. Now you can choose the method that you wish to use to pay. We have multiple methods in here: credit card, debit card, bank account, and Google Pay. Google Pay is a very easy way to do this as well. For example, let's choose credit card. And now in here, in the next screen, you will have to basically input all of the necessary details. So all of the information, the name, the street address, city, email, phone number, this is your information, and the information of the receiver's bank account, right? So bank name, account type, routing number, account number, and confirm account number. Fill in all of these fields, press continue, and your money will be sent to your recipient. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps. Like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.